Okay, this is BMX Dude 7100 here. My friend who had the Diamondback now got a 2013 BF1 Fit. Beautiful. Then we figured we'd just do a brake check on it real quick. Me do it or you do it? You record? No. Okay. Well, we have 2013 FitBikeCo Revenge rims with FitBikeCo 2.1 white wall tire in the back with a black KMC Z-chain. FitBikeCo 25.2 sprocket stock fit cranks, stock pedals, stock brakes, stock frame. 2013 BF1 FitBikeCo. Let's see. Stock pivotal seat fit, stock pivotal fit post and seat clamp. A 20.5 inch top tube. Don't know the bottom. Stock FitBikeCo forks. Same as mine, just mine are painted. Yeah, I painted the forks white to match the gooseneck, but I'm gonna eventually get new ones and then get blue parts later on. So yeah, stolen. FitBikeCo Revenge rim 2013 with a 2.25 FitBikeCo white wall tire with a FitBikeCo headset and FitBikeCo top load stem with stock fit grips that he's going to get rid of for road guys. Don't know what kind of brakes, I didn't rate them or anything. They're fit, I guess, stock. And stock bars. Hub sound? Like, pick it up and pedal. You see, it's about normal for a stock hub, but I guess not. It's nice. He got it today, and we figured we'd do a bike check about it after he rides it. Everything. So yeah, this is BMX Dude 7100 with his new bike. Beautiful. All right. Well, later.